In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade Charles Schwab. We'll keep this simple and beginner-friendly, and you can follow along whether you're using Schwab.com or the Thinkorswim platform. Think of the process as three clear moves. Pick a stock, place a buy or sell order, and then manage it confidently. Start by logging in. On a computer, go to the Schwab website and sign in. If you prefer the Thinkorswim app, open it and log in there. Once you're in, you're ready to look up a stock. To find a stock on Schwab.com, head to Trade and choose All-in-One Trade Ticket. On Thinkorswim, go to the Trade tab. In either place, type a ticker symbol like SPY, AAPL, or TSLA into the search bar. Confirm you're on the correct symbol and that the price and chart match what you expect. Next, choose whether you're buying or selling. Buy adds shares to your account. Sell is what you'll use to reduce or close a position you already own. Keep it simple if you're new, and focus on buying first before exploring advanced actions. Now pick your order type. A market order prioritizes speed and fills at the current available price. A limit order prioritizes price and only fills at the price you set or better. For example, if SPY is trading at 500 and you set a buy limit at 495, the order will execute only if the price drops to 495. If you want the trade to try again beyond today, look for a time-enforced setting like good till canceled. Otherwise, day orders will expire if they don't fill by market close. Limit orders help control price, while market orders help you get in quickly. Choose based on your priority. Enter your quantity next. 1 share is a great way to start small and learn. 10 shares increases your exposure and potential swings in profit and loss. Check the estimated cost, which is typically price times quantity, plus any applicable fees. Before you send it, click Review Order. Double-check the symbol, buy or sell, order type, limit price if applicable, quantity, and time enforce. When everything looks right, click Place Order. You'll see a confirmation, and if it's pending, you can track the status in your orders window. To monitor your trade, open positions in Thinkorswim or go to the Accounts area on Schwab.com. You'll see your current price, cost basis, and profit or loss. From here, you can close the position, adjust an open order, or set alerts to stay informed. For a beginner strategy, consider starting with SPY, the S&P 500 ETF. Keep it simple, hold longer or take small swings, and avoid complex derivatives until you're comfortable. That's it. You're trading with confidence on Charles Schwab.